How to use Google Forms tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form for yourself. If you're a beginner, if you don't know what it is about, if you don't know how to get started, I'm going to show you exactly the way how you can do that in a very easy manner. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, what you can do is you can open your Google Forms on your web browser. So how you can open your Google Forms? If you go onto your Google homepage, this will be your homepage, and when you come onto this Google apps right here, you can just click on that and you'll see all the Google apps right here. So you can just scroll down and you can find your Google Forms here as well, or you can just simply go onto and search for Google Forms, and you'll be able to get your first link as the Google Forms, and it will take you to here. So this is the Google Forms homepage, and from here you can see this is the side option. You can see your documents, sheets, and everything. So you can just ignore that, and this is basically where you can create your form. So well, in creating Google form, you have basically some templates for you as well. So if you go onto template gallery, you can see you have your contact information, find a time, RSVP, party invite, and event registration form as well. So you can just scroll down other as, and you can see event feedback, time of request, job application, work request, customer feedback, exit ticket, assessment, worksheet, and course evaluation. So these are all the templates that are available for you in your template gallery in the Google form. So it is very easy, and everything is very simple. So I'm just going for this event registration form. I'm going to show you how you can create an event registration form, how you can change it to your own liking. You can also create one from blank if you want to, like this one blank option is right here. Just click on that, and you'll be able to open a blank template, and you will get your blank form, and you can create anything that you want from it. So I'm just going to change this template into something that will be good for me, that I want, and you can see how it's done. So how you can do that is basically you come here, and this is the event registration. So this is the main heading of my form, and here is the description of the form, of the heading. So you can change the description to your own, like you can add your own event time, you can add your event address, you can add your own contact us number and everything. So you can just come here, you can change everything. You can just click on this and you can just remove it, and or you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underline. You can also insert a link to your website if you want to right here. Then you can add your bullets, you can add your numbered list and everything. If you want to remove the formatting, just do that, and it will become to a simple again. So after you have done that, just come on here, and this is the option where you can just come and add your questions. So first is basically the name, and as you can see, the name is the heading of the question. Then you can have given the filler of the form an option to answer that in a short form. So you can change the answer form from, like here, you can make it a short answer, you can make it a paragraph, a multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file, upload, linear, scale, multiple choice, screen, and everything. You can just come on here and choose any option that you want, and you'll be good to go. But obviously this is a name. In the name, you need to give them a short answer, because that's what name is about. You just enter in the short form of your name, not a short form like you enter your name. So it is basically a short answer. So you can also upload an image if you want to from this option right here. If you click on this, it will ask you to upload the image that you want to, and you can make it a required field or an optional field. This is totally up to you. So I'm just going to make it a required field because it is obviously name. Then you can go on to email. In the email, this is also the required fields will have a little red star along with them, so that people filling the form will know that this is required, and they won't be able to submit the form or to go on to the next page without having that field filled. So you can come here and add your email. So in the email form, what you can see is you can click on the this right here. You can change the heading. It is also short answer, because the thing is customer email is also a short answer. So you can, if someone fails to add the specific detail into the form, what you can do is you can add an error text. An error text will show up like in the red form, like if you haven't entered your email, it will say like enter your email, or you cannot proceed with it without entering your email, or it can say anything that you want. So you can add your error text right here. You can add an error text, or you can also add an email, like a different email, like there is a mock email or something like that, like this at the rate of your name at the rate of gmail.com or something like that. Or you can add that kind of email right here, so people will know that, okay, so this is for the email. So the next thing is organization. The next is the dietary restrictions. So if you have any kind of dietary restriction in the event, if you cannot eat, if you are vegan, if you're vegetarian, if you eat gluten free, you can just come here and add your your dietary restriction. So this kind of option for the form is, if you click on this right here, this is basically multiple choice. So they have chosen a multiple choice format for this specific question, because all the things that they have added are available right here. So they have also added an option of add option, so other. So if anyone has any kind of other dietary restriction, they can just click on this other, and we can ask for them like what it is about. And if you want to add any kind of option, if you want to add like salt free, let's say if someone eats salt free, you can just add another option, and this is how it will look like. Like your option is added, and you can you're good to go. Then you can just come here, and I understand that I will have to pay this upon arrival. So you can they have made it a checkbox. Like if you just click on this option, so they have made it a checkbox option for this specific question, because this is yes. And if you can click on, if you can add another checkbox for, let's say, no. Okay, there you go, you got another checkbox. So this is checkbox. So you can choose any option of the answer from right here, depending upon the question that you have. You can also make a question like wait a second, let me add a question like this here. Add a question. I added another question, and now I want to make it a file upload, like this one. Like I want to make it a file upload, so it will give me an option to upload the file, like let respondents upload file to Drive, continue. And this will be the question. Allow specific types of files. If you want to allow them to only upload specific kinds of file, you can just click on this, and you'll be able to get all the PDF, video. You can click on any one of these formats that you can allow them to paste, and you will be good to go. Then you have your maximum number of files, you can have your maximum file size, and you can add your question right here, and you'll be good to go. So this is how basically you can create your whole form. You can just click on this option, and you can add another section to your form. Like that was event registration. If you want to add something specific, like you can want to make your menu thing specific, you can just come here, add your heading like as menus, and you can add questions in it as well, and you'll be good to go. So after that, what you can do, after, you can just click here and customize your form. You can add colors to your form. You can also preview it from this option, and after you have done creating and everything, your form is already saved into your Drive. You can just click on the send option, and you can send your form to anyone you want. You can send it via email, you can send it basically as a link, you can send it as an embedded link, and you can anything you want. You can embed the HTML to anything that you want, like your Wix website, like any of your website. If you want to embed your HTML, this will be your HTML right here. So this is how you can create a form using Google Forms. It is very easy, very beginner friendly. And please give this video a big thumbs up, because your appreciation really motivates me to make new topics, to make new videos for you guys, so that you have everything, all the platforms that are digital, that are in use these days, covered and in your knowledge. And also please subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications, so that every time I upload a video about anything, you can get notified about it. Please take good care of yourself. I will surely see you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.